Tonight I'm going to show you how to utilize Firefox, which is an internet browser, to help you learn how to utilize some of the tools and add-ons to further your study of Chinese, specifically Mandarin Chinese. And I'll do this using a Latter-day Saint book of scripture called the Book of Mormon. The first thing that you'll need, again, is Firefox, which is a browser that can be downloaded. Just if you Google Firefox, you can download that. Now, the good thing about Firefox is it is open source, which means you can add on additional functionalities, which is extremely useful. One of the functionalities you want to add on, if you go under Tools at the top here, you can look under Add-ons, and you'll notice that I have multiple add-ons, but you can search for add-ons. And if you do a search for Chinese pop-up, you'll come up with multiple different things that you can add. One that I would suggest adding is called Mandarin Pop-up. If you do a search for Mandarin Pop-up, this should show up for you, so you can add that on immediately, which will allow you to implement that in your browser, which again will be very helpful. Now, what this will do once you install the Mandarin Pop-up or something similar, it'll allow you to roll over characters and to have those characters actually show up in pinyin, as well as fantizi and gentizi, so traditional characters and simplified characters. It also has the English translation there for you, and it breaks it down. It also looks contextually, so for example here, as I roll over Yesu Jidu, it comes up with Jesus Christ. It sees those character strings and is able to help you understand what those are. Now, that's extremely helpful in the study of Chinese. So again, the site that I am going on, now that I have this installed on my browser, is scriptures.lds.org/ZH. Z is in zipper, H is in horse. Now, that'll take you directly to the LDS or Mormon scriptures online, and specifically the Chinese scriptures. Now, the other tool that I personally use is a website called readthescriptures.com. readthescriptures.com. What Read the Scriptures allows you to do is to read the scriptures online and take notes, all free of charge. But if you create an account, then you can log in and set up a schedule, a reading schedule, based on how fast you want to get through certain books. Now, you don't need the Read the Scriptures account. Obviously, you could do it strictly off of the Mormon scriptures, but what getting an account allows you to do is, under Read the Scriptures, is as I read the English version of the scripture, then I can go in to my notes, which is this green note to the left side of the number here, and I can go ahead and cut and paste in the text from each of the books here in the LDS scriptures. So as you look here, this is 1 Nephi. You can go to the chapter, and then you'll start to see the verses pop up. You can cut and paste these then into the areas, and then you'll have some available room. I'm just going to show you how this works, although this isn't specifically the book that I cut and pasted. What this allows you to do, though, is to cut and paste that text in so that you can have the Chinese with the English, which will allow you easily to start to read these. And this will really increase your character recognition quite quickly and effectively. So if you have a chance to do that, again, the two websites that I utilize are the Chinese scriptures, scriptures.lds.org/zh, and readthescriptures.com, which will allow you to do this. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. My email address is diejo, D-Y-E-J-O, @yahoo.com.